Channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we will be sharing with you few of the remote jobs. So let me share the details with you. So the very first opening is for manual testers, and it is in one of the leading organizations. Location is Bangalore, and notice period is immediate to 30 days. Experience required is 4 to 7 years, and you can send your CV profile to this email address. Then there is a requirement for manual testers for Mumbai location, and they are looking for someone who is experienced with in the domain of life insurance plus group insurance. The location is Mumbai, and notice period is immediate joiners only. So you can share your updated resume at this email. Then there's a requirement at Trenter Software Private Limited, and it's a remote job. They are looking for automation test engineers and immediate joiners only. So they need someone who is having experience with Selenium, Java, TestNG, BDD, TDD, and can use tools like Jira and Confluence. So this is the email address wherein you have to apply. Then there's a walk-in drive which is going on today, as well as it would be tomorrow at the location Noida. And the company is Aloba Technologies Private Limited. Experience required is 3+ years. So they are looking for software testers. So it's a walk-in drive. You can go over there and start giving the interviews. Then there is a requirement for remote roles for a startup-based company, QA analyst, manual tester, 4 to 6 years, product analyst, 2 to 4 years, budget up to 20 LPA, and it's a remote job, and they are looking for immediate joiners only. It's a product-based company, experience is a must. So you can send your CV at this email address along with the subject line, your name underscore role. Then EPAM India is hiring software test automation engineers, senior software test and automation engineers at Pune location. Experience required is 4 to 13 years. Skill set required is Protector, JavaScript, TypeScript, UI automation, API automation, WebDriver, Playwright, and location is Pune. Face-to-face interview drive is happening on 14th of June, and the notice period is immediate to 60 days. So you can drop your profile on this email address with a subject line applying for the role of automation testing in JavaScript. Then there's a requirement for QA intern. You can send your CV to hr@scaleus.in, and the company name is Scaleless Technologies. Then there is a requirement at Signet One company. So the open positions are for QA automation tester and Java developer. Skill set required is Selenium, Java, TestNG, automation testing, mid-level of experience, 3 to 5 years, and it is work from office. Then there is a requirement for QA, again, manual testers. Company is Picode Software Solutions Private Limited. Location is Mohali, and you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for QA team lead, Ahmedabad, 7+ years of experience. They are looking for someone who can lead a QA team, drive the automation and innovation across agile projects. And you can apply at this email address. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, because these kind of information are shared absolutely free of cost with you. We're not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you and wish you good luck for your careers.